And Kraljevo is a city in western Serbia.
Investors.
Yeah.
Pravi
So
boss.
this river is flowing all along the city, and yeah, this city has a really long tradition. The name Kraljevo actually means King's City, because a lot of the kings got their inaugurations here, in the churches here, so yeah, the city center is pretty nice.
Pričaj.
And the city actually recently got an international airport. Wait.
Snimam bre.
Okay, so you're recording. I thought you weren't recording.
That is very interesting what you said.
Okay, Dusan here. Here's your girl Eva. Her battery died, so I'm recording right now. We're in the city center of Kraljevo, and there's a live concert right here. Yeah, so this is the center. They're testing something for the gig, and yeah, I quite like the city. Yeah, this is like an ethno house.
Knjižara Svetog Nikolaja Žičkog.
Yeah, knjižar. It's like a bookstore dedicated to a saint. Yeah, it's a bookstore dedicated to a saint, and this is the church in Kraljevo. And even though Nelva, crkva tamo.
Yes, I know which one.
Yeah.
I'm asking about the name of the church.
I don't know. Even though it looks like a Catholic church, it's not a Catholic church, it's an Orthodox church. Yeah, and there's your girl Eva. There is she. Boo.